This half of a double hard maple tree is 150 years old, which would place it back just after the Civil War. Don't know what's in this tree, don't know if anything's any good, but we are going to saw it to see what we have. You can see there's spalting in it, and when I cut it with a chainsaw, there was a round ball right here. Soft lead round ball, which is a bullet from back then. It's going to be interesting. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one. Just so you can see how big this tree is. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Two Brothers Out. Get your fingers out of my face. Two Brothers Outdoors. Today we're going to saw up this hard maple stump. It's a 150-year-old tree. It's part of the crotch of an original tree, which is still standing, but it came up out of the ground in two trees, and it's about that big around where it come together. The other part of the tree is still living, but we're going to cut this up and see what we have inside. There might be some metal in it. I don't know. We already found a bullet when we cut it with a chainsaw. The bullet was a soft lead round ball, which is conducive to bullets back in the 1800s. So that was kind of interesting find right there. I left the old blade on the saw that we got jammed into the crotch the other day on the other hard maple. I'm leaving that blade in there because this tree is quite possibly has metal in it. Who knows what it has in it. So we're not going to take any chances with a good blade. We're going to cut it up with the old blade and hope everything goes well. This tree may have been better off in the firewood pile. We'll never know until we cut it up. It does have some solid parts in it, and I'm kind of anxious to see what it has in it. And so is Tim. We have a live coming up next Saturday night at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You don't want to miss that. It's going to be an interesting live. We're going to see if we can stump the panel and just a BS session. So make sure you join us on that live. I think it's going to be interesting. Alright guys, without further ado, let's find out what we have inside this log. What do you think, Tim? Should we do it? Let's do it. And in case you were wondering, yes, I am narrating this because the microphones screwed up again. They are going in the garbage and I am done with them. Time for a new set. Alright, let's get sawing. Okay, we're going to start sawing this at 2 inches thick or 8/4. If by chance we get into some really nice spalting and it's solid, I may change it up to 3 inches thick so that wood turners can cut out 3x3 blocks. This is a yard log, so it's a good possibility we're going to hit metal and you will see some sparks flying. This log is exceptionally dusty. I'm going to put my dust mask on. Really coming out with some color though. All right, we're getting some really nice spalting here. Let's continue on. This thing is so dry. Look at the dust. That's not sawdust, that's dust.
I gotta tell you, you know, one half of the two brothers outdoors.
Well, that works great, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Only if I had something to go with my glasses.
Yeah, they get dusty, don't they?
Yes, sir, they do. Whew. Well, I'm going to have to change out that carbon, it looks like.
All right, guys. This really turned out nice. I didn't know if we were going to get anything that was going to be any good, but all of this right here with somebody wanting to make a table with epoxy. These would make some beautiful tables.
Yeah, look at that natural live edge too.
Look at the spalting in it.
Ants for free.
And it's pretty solid. I didn't think it'd be pretty solid, but it's pretty solid. These two down here, they kind of got weak spots right there. But I think it's going to be well worth putting them on the mill and sawing them up. We will make some better money than just firewood off of rotten wood, basically. 150-year-old tree, folks. There it is. It's going to be somebody's table now. All right, guys. This turned out pretty good. I think we're going to make a little money off of it. Somebody's going to be very happy with this. And we'll be very happy with the green.
You going to change that blade?
Yeah, I'll change
Holy
it now.
cow, that was nothing but sauce. That was nothing but dust.
Yeah, it's pretty dry, though, too. All right, guys. Thanks for coming along with us. Hit that subscription button if you're not a subscriber.
You know where it is.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, guys. We appreciate each and every single one of them. And I tell you what, it helps our channel tremendously. Keep smashing that like button. We appreciate it. Notifications bell. You do not want to miss any of our future videos. And if you do, Rick's got 10 on playlist. Fire them up, look at them, or go back and watch any of them. We got 1,000 of them or better.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming along. Until the next one, we will see you later.
Bye-bye now.
Is it hot today or what?
Exit right.
Can't exit there.
I exit right.